Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zig the programming guy. So guys, in today's video I want to share tips on how to fix post view option missing on TikTok. So guys, here's the post view option. This post view option allows you to see who views your TikTok videos. So guys, if this is missing on your TikTok app, first of all I just want you to understand that it takes time for new update to get across countries. So if this is not available yet in your country, you just have to wait for some time. But maybe it's available in your country but you don't have it on your TikTok app. So guys, I'm going to share this fix. I believe will work for you because it worked for me. That was exactly what I did to get this feature. All right, so let me just take it to my phone. All right guys, if you look right here, you see I have two TikTok apps. Now this is what I did. I installed a new TikTok app on my phone. I had a TikTok app before, but I installed a new TikTok app, and this other one is not TikTok Lite, is TikTok, the main TikTok app. So guys, this is what you have to do. The reason why I actually installed a new one was because there was a time a new update was released on TikTok, but I didn't have it on my TikTok app, so I had to reinstall my app and then I got it. But I don't want to do that to this app because I have drafts on my TikTok app. So if I reinstall it, I'm going to lose all my draft. So I had to install a new TikTok app. That's why you're seeing this one here. And after installing a new TikTok app, I got the updates and so many other updates that I didn't have on the other one. So that is exactly what I want you to try. Go ahead and reinstall a new TikTok app on your phone. And if you want to do that, you just have to go to your Play Store if you're using Android. And if you go to your Play Store, just switch to a different Gmail by clicking on this Gmail profile icon at the top of your screen. Then switch to a different Gmail. And after that, search for TikTok and install the app. So after installing it, you can check if you get the updates or not. But that's exactly what I normally do to get new updates, because sometimes after updating my app, I don't used to get new updates. So guys, you guys should try it. So this is how to fix post view option missing on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel to get more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.